welcome to Vlogmas Day 9. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get this makeup look that I came up with for Christmas. It's pretty simple, so if you're interested, just keep watching. So the first thing I did was I took my Pro Concealer and I covered my under eyes and any blemishes I had. And I also used it to highlight my forehead and the middle of my nose. And then I blended everything out with my beauty blender. After that, I took my Rimmel Stay Matte Powder and I covered my whole face. And then I used the Bahama Mama bronzer to bronze and contour my face. After that, I took the blush from MAC called Peaches and I applied it to the apple of my cheeks, and then I highlighted with the Dior highlighter. It's a golden color. After that, I took a red color and I started blending it in my crease. Then I did the same on the other eye. And after that, I took a lighter reddish pinkish color and kept blending it out to give it more depth. And then I took a matte white shadow and put it under the brow bone. After that, I took the same red color that I first used and I put it under my eyes and blended it together with the crease color, and then I cleaned it up with a beauty blender. Then I took a silver shadow and put it all over my eye. And then I took a champagne color and put it in my inner corner and blended it into the red color under the eye. After that, I lined my waterline on the top and bottom with a black Milani eyeliner. And after that, I did my liquid liner and drew the wings on both my eyes. After that, I curled my lashes and applied some mascara. I did multiple coats on both eyes. And then I used the brow product called Queen of the Fill. It's a brow gel that has color in it, and just put in my brows and then kind of wipes them off with my fingers so it looks more natural. Then I lined my lips with a reddish pinkish color. Then I took the MAC lipstick and Lady Red and put it on my lips. And then I realized it was too bright, so I took a darker fancy color that I have and blended it over top of it. And then to mattify the whole look, I took a NYX matte soft lip cream and applied it over top of that, and that's it. So this is the final makeup look that I created for the holidays. I hope you guys enjoy and try this look out. I love it. So today's shout out goes to Kiara Diesla. Shout out to you, Kiara. If you want to shout out in tomorrow's video, all you have to do is make sure you're subscribed, thumbs up this video, and leave a comment down below telling me what you're hoping to see under your tree this year. Also guys, don't forget to turn on the post notifications, the little bell button, to get notified every time I post. And I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in tomorrow's Vlogmas Day 10. Mwah! Love you.